Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're shifting focus to an iconic name in the dual sport motorcycle world, the new 2026 Yamaha XT600, known for its rugged design, reliable power, and true off-road spirit. The XT600 has always been a favorite for adventure riders. The 2026 model returns with fresh upgrades, blending classic toughness with modern performance. Let's take a closer look at what makes the new XT600 more exciting than ever. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha XT600 features a bold and aggressive look while staying loyal to its adventure heritage. The redesigned LED headlamp, sleeker fuel tank, and sharper body panels create a more athletic stance. Lightweight frame materials and compact styling improve maneuverability, both on-road and off-road. New color schemes and updated graphics give the XT600 a refreshed personality that stands out wherever the ride takes you. Performance and powertrain. Under the body, the XT600 is powered by a refined 600cc single-cylinder engine designed to deliver strong torque for trail riding and smooth power for highway cruising. Paired with a precise 6-speed gearbox, the bike offers enhanced control in all terrains. Yamaha has improved the suspension setup, including longer travel for rough surfaces and better damping for comfort. The lightweight build helps boost fuel efficiency and handling, making long journeys more enjoyable. Safety and technology. Yamaha integrates essential modern tech to support reliable adventure performance. The 2026 XT600 comes with switchable ABS for adaptable braking, a digital multifunction display for clear riding information, and improved traction management for slippery conditions. LED lighting improves visibility during nighttime or remote adventures. Optional smartphone connectivity adds convenience for navigation and ride stats without removing the rugged simplicity the XT series is known for. Conclusion. The new 2026 Yamaha XT600 brings back a legendary motorcycle with the right mix of modern upgrades and traditional adventure toughness. Whether conquering rocky trails or commuting through city streets, this XT600 is built for riders who crave freedom beyond the pavement. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and first looks at the most exciting machines hitting the road and trails.